What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you all of the customization options for the Windows 11 taskbar, as well as some that are not available to you by default. This should be quite an easy tutorial. Everything you need will be listed in the description below. First, we will take a look at your default taskbar options. Open up your settings when clicking on this gear icon in your taskbar, or simply open up your Start menu and search for Settings. Here, navigate to Personalization and then Taskbar. The first option lets you disable some of the default taskbar items. Enable or disable the search, task view and widgets to your liking. Below, you can show or hide icons that appear on the corner of your taskbar next to your system tray. Expand your taskbar corner overflow settings to show or hide more icons that could come in handy depending on what you prefer to do with your taskbar. I will leave most of these settings disabled as I want to keep a clean taskbar. Under Taskbar Behaviors, you can change the taskbar alignment from center to the left side, in case you prefer the Windows 10 look. You can also enable the Automatically Hide the Taskbar option. I like to hide it, and some abnormal screen resolutions will like to take advantage of this option. For users with multiple displays, you can also enable the Show my taskbar on all displays option, which will do exactly that. After verifying these settings, navigate back to your main personalization options. Here, click on Colors. Make sure to expand Accent Color, and then you will find the Show Accent Color on Start and Taskbar option. When this option is enabled, you will be able to apply your selected accent color to your taskbar. Choose a Windows color, or click on View Colors to select any color of your choice. A simple app can make your taskbar transparent. Simply open up your Microsoft Store application. Search for Translucent TB to find this free-to-install application. Simply click on Free, and Windows will take a moment to download and install the application. This should take less than a minute to complete. When it's done, click on Launch, and you will be greeted with a pop-up message telling you that you can tweak the taskbar's appearance with the tray icon. In your taskbar, click on the TB icon to access its settings and play around with them to see what works best for you. When selecting Exit, you will exit out of the application and revert your taskbar back to normal. To reapply the changes, simply search for Translucent TB in your Start menu search. You can also change the size of your taskbar by making a change in your registry editor. Simply search for Registry Editor in your Start menu search to open it up. In case you are unable to find it here, then make sure to use the Windows key and R shortcut to open this dialog box. Here, type regedit and hit Enter. On this window, navigate to H-key Current User, Software, Microsoft, Windows, Current Version, Explorer, Advanced. Then, right-click anywhere within the Registry Editor right side panel and choose New DWORD 32-bit value. Set the name of this DWORD to Taskbar SI. You can copy it from the description below. Next, double-click Taskbar SI to set its value. For a small taskbar, make sure to set the value to 0. The default taskbar size is 1, and to make it larger, make sure to set this value to 2. Based on performance, set the value as 0 or 2, assuming you don't like the default size of the taskbar in Windows 11. Notably, icons from third-party apps will look a little pixelated when you use the large taskbar. After setting your preferred value, make sure to restart your PC for the changes to take effect. Alternatively, you can also open up your Task Manager. Search for a Task Manager in your Start menu search to open it up. Here, under Apps, right-click Windows Explorer and select Restart. This will allow the changes in your registry editor to take effect without having to restart your PC. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.